Okay, see the thing. They are asking us, the fixed overhead 420, analyzed, volume related, purchase related, setup related. Okay, based on the overhead absorption, what is the overhead cost per unit for each unit? Take into consideration volume related. Okay, volume related. The second one is purchasing related. The third one is setup related. How much is the volume related? Simple, not difficult at all. Nothing is there. How much is the volume related? Volume related is how much? How much is the cost? Cost is how much? Cost is 100. 145. 175. Are you clear about this? No. What is the, when we are talking about volume related, is it right? How much is the fixed overhead cost? How many labor hours are there? How many labor hours are there?
5.
No, total labor hours are how much?
Total labor hours is 66,000.
How much?
66,000.
66,000. How we got it? Total labor hours. Total labor hours is this one. Okay, this one. It comes to how much? It comes to 66,000. Are you clear about this? Okay, now how many purchase orders are there? Number of purchase orders 75 and 85. How many are there? 160. It is there. Purchase related. Purchase related means purchase order. Setup related means number of setups. Are you clear about this?
Yes.
Okay, see the thing. Is that, see the thing. This is related to this one. This is related to this one. This is related to this one. Are you clear about this?
Yes, we have to calculate for each one.
Is it?
Okay,
We have to. Is it? We have to. We have to. This is the cost driver.
Yes.
Okay. How much is the cost driver? 66,000. How much is the cost driver? 160. Purchase related, in purchase. Setup related. How many setups are there? 100.
100.
Okay, now cost per, is it cost per unit? Okay, cost per unit. How much is there? 100 divided by 66. How much is there? 100 divided by 66,000. It comes to how much? Calculator.
1.5.
1.515. Is it there?
Yes.
1.515. He tell how much? 145 divided by 160.
906.25.
906.25. Next.
Yes.
175 divided by 100.
175.
1750.
Yes.
Okay. Now, how much is the alpha?
No, one. Okay.
How much is the alpha?
Alpha is 1,200 units.
No, 6,000 units. 6,000 into 1.515. It comes to how much?
Wait. It's 6,000 units.
6,000 labor hours. 6,000 labor hours.
Okay.
6,000 labor hours. It comes to how much? This is 6,000. This is 60,000. Are you clear about this?
Yes.
How much it will come?
1 second.
Very quick.
I'm just trying to absorb the information.
Take your absorption. You take time to understand. I will not force.
9,090.
9,090. Are you clear? Don't worry about the decimals, okay? Is that if you can take, you can take. Next, I am writing separately again. How many is purchase related? How much is that? Purchase. Second one, okay? How much is there? 75 times 906.25. It comes to how much?
Okay, so then we take for each one our contribution and we multiply it by the rates that we have. Okay. This is the difference between absorption and actually base costing. Okay. It's the same thing, but then we use one overhead, while here we use for each cost pool or cost driver. Okay. So this is 67968.
67968.
Yes.
67968. Okay. You can take decimals. You can remove decimals. I'm not that much. Okay. Setups.
Okay. 40 multiplied by
40 multiplied by 1750.
70,000.
How much?
70,000.
70,000. They are asking for each unit product alpha. Okay, for each unit of you total it all. How much you'll get?
This plus
90,90,67968 plus 70,000. It comes to how much?
147058.
147058. How many units are there alpha? 1200 units. Is it there?
1200 units.
Alpha is annual output is how much?
Oh shoot, I didn't see.
How much annual output?
Um, one to 2.548. Okay.
Is it okay?
But this is like okay. Once we solve like more than one question, it will be easy to understand. Okay.
Doctor, I did everything correct except for the labor hours. I didn't use. I didn't multiply it by 5. I don't know why.
No, you have to do everything. This is multiple choice. It will go.
Yeah, but everything else I did it all correct.
No, they will not see the calculations. Even we are not supposed to.
I know. I just need to make sure that I use the like.
Yes.
But everything else, I did it.
Inshallah, it will work. It will work. Now, do it for yes. Are you clear about this?
Yes.
Next. Using ABC, what is the total fixed overhead cost to be absorbed in each unit of product B? Each unit. What is the fixed cost? Fixed cost is 100. The cost driver is what? Volume. Cost is the volume of material purchased. General fixed cost absorbed on the basis of labor hours. How much is there? 180. ABC, what is the total fixed overhead amount to be absorbed? How we have to do, tell me. Try, I am here to help you. Material. Only they yes.
Same type of materials can go.
Product B.
Okay, so the material is 100,000, and the observed cover labor hours is 180,000, right?
Hmm.
Okay, okay.
Fixed cost is how much?
One second. Now I'm closer to it.
Yeah, that's one.
Quick.
B.
Hmm?
BB 120.
How?
Is not correct?
Yes, correct. How?
So what I did
Tell me.
first, get the total. So per unit for material, and then per unit for labor.
Tell me. Now I want to write. Tell me.
So So 100,000 over brackets 1,000 times 10. 100,000 over.
Hmm.
100,000, not 1,000.
Hmm.
Okay. Brackets 1,000
Hmm.
over brackets. No. Under. What under now? Under. No. You're doing it all wrong. Scrap it all, Doctor.
Huh?
Scrap it all. Let's start again from 0. So
Attend.
100,000.
Huh.
Okay. Over
Hmm.
open brackets
Hmm.
1,000
Hmm.
times 10
Hmm.
plus
Hmm.
2,000 plus 20.
2,000.
In the same bracket over in the same bracket of 100,000.
Is it okay?
It will get you, yes. It will get you, what, let me remember the number. I think it's 2, but let me just double check. 2. It will give you 2.
1 minute. This is 10,000. This is 10,000. This is 40,000. Is it 10,000, 40,000? It comes to how much? 50,000. It comes to 2. Yes. Next.
Yes. So we do the same thing for now for the labor.
Labor. Labor is how much? 180,000.
180,000 over 1,000 times 5 plus 2,000 plus 20.
It comes to how much?
It comes to 4.
Twenty into 2, it comes to 40. Is it right? 45,000. It comes to how much? 4. Good. Next.
Now we multiply by the volume material per unit. Without 2 multiply by 2,000 times 20 times 2,000.
2 into
times,
20.
2,000 times
2
2,000
times
times 20.
2 times 20 plus 4 times.
No. Times you can do that also. 4 times 20.
20. 40 plus 80. It comes to 1.
40 plus 80 will comes to 120.
Are you clear about this?
Yes.
Good. I want like this. Take your time, understand and do. It helps you. Next. Read 38.
Doctor, we take 156,000 divided by 6,000 to get the rate. And then we multiply it by the number of deliveries, which is 1,000 divided by 200. So we get 5.
1 minute. See, now you can see the difference between absorption costing and ABC costing.
Yes.
Yes.
So for absorption costing, we take 156,000 divided by the total amount of units, which is 6,000. Now we got our OAR.
How much?
It's 26 units, and then we multiply it by the number of deliveries, which you have calculated, 1,000 divided by 200, which is 5 for x. So 20x multiplied by 5.
How much? ABC, how many deliveries are there? 13 deliveries are there. It comes to how much?
Okay. Doctor, it will be increase product X, increase in product Y, and decrease in product Z.
I'm not getting it, ya akhi.
What you are not getting? Tell me.
Correct?
Can you solve it? I want to see like
Hmm?
full thing. Can you like solve it? I want to see like how
See,
you solve it.
absorption costing, what we are doing absorption costing, we take only overhead absorption rate. What is the overhead?
Yes.
1,156 divided by 6,000. Straight away, how
Okay.
much you will get? 26. Khalas, okay?
Good.
Straight away,
Yeah, this is
26.
fine.
Now, with respect to ABC, 156 divided by 13 deliveries. They are talking about what? They are talking about the number, using number of deliveries as a cost driver.
Yes.
Okay, number of days. Now, how
we
much
know
is
the
there?
ABC.
Now, how much is the cost per unit? Keep it in mind. Total units are how much? 1,000. Total units are how much? 1,000. What is there? If you are taking it, this per delivery. Okay, per delivery. Per delivery is how much? 12,000. Okay, per delivery is how many deliveries are there? 5, 5, and 5. Okay, 5, 5, and 5. If you take EX, okay, 12,000 times 5 divided by how many units are there? 1,000 units. How much you will get?
12,000 units, you'll get 60.
You will get 60. Y is how much? 12,000. How many? times how many units? 5.
5.
5.
Divided by 2,000.
2,000.
It will give you $30.
30. Z is how much?
That is 12,000 times 3.
12,000
over 3,000.
times 3 divided by 3,000. It comes to how much?
12. So there is an increase compared to the observation cost, increase in X and Y, and decrease in Z.
Okay. It comes to how much? It comes to 12. Okay. It comes to how much? 12. Now, compare. Compare. If you compare 60 minus, if you compare, is it right? EX. Is it right? 26 minus 60. Y. 26 minus 30. Z. 26 minus 12. Is it? It has increased by how much? Increased by 34. It is increased by how much? Increased by 4. It is decreased by how much? It is decreased by 14. Are you clear about this?
All good, doctor.
Huh?
All good, all good.
Is it? We are comparing this with this, this with this with this, and we are saying how much is the result. Are you clear about this?
Yes.
The first one is increased, the second one is increased, the third one is decreased. I will write increased by 30. I will put like this so that it will be easy for you. Is it? It will be easy for you. It is how much? 26 minus 60. Is it right? 34. Is it? 26 minus 30. 4. Okay. 26 minus 12. It comes to 40. Are you clear about this?
Yes.
Next. Take your time. Don't rush. I am telling you this. Once it is over, please tell. Is it okay?
All good, doctor.
Next. This is the last question. Again, we'll do next one.
Inshallah.
and we'll continue, we'll not stop. What is the budgeted, first read the question. What is the budgeted machine setup cost per unit of product R? We have to think about the product R. Is that we have to be very focused. Okay, we have to be very, very focused what they are asking us. Total setup cost, okay, machine setup. How many machine setups are there? Machine setups are how much? Just what is the total of this? Three, 4, and 6. Okay,
3, 4, and
3,
6.
4,
So
and 6.
30.
Okay, now total setups are how much? The total setup. Okay. Now, how much is how much is the machine setups per batch? How much is the batch? Batch is 100. Per batch 100. Okay, machine setup per batch is 3. Okay, machine setup per batch is 3. How many units are there? 100,000 units. 104, 50, and 6. Okay, 50 and means you have to calculate total setups. First you have to calculate total setups. Total setups will be how much? Total setups is total units. Okay, I am writing the formula. Total annual production. Okay, total annual production divided by total annual production divided by number batch units multiplied by setups per batch. Setup per batch. Wait for a while. Okay, wait for a while. How much is there? If you take D, okay, D will be how much? We have to calculate total, okay, 100 divided by 100 times 3. It comes to how much? 100 times 3000. It comes to how much? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. It comes to how much? 100 divided by 100 into 3. 300, sorry. 100 into 3. It comes to how much? 3000. R. Calculate R very quickly.
How's it 3,000?
No. 100,000 by 300.
Yeah, 100,000 by 300.
300. See, total units are how much? Total units are how much? How many setups are there?
Still doesn't,
These many setups.
still doesn't give you 3,000.
Huh?
Still doesn't give 100,000 divided by 300. It's not 3,000. It's 333.3.
One second. One second. No, 1 second. We have done 1 second. 1 second. Total setups, 1 minute. Total setup is how much? See that. How many units are there? How many units are there? You have to know how many batches. Okay, first you have to take, see, I will put it more clear here. How many batches? See, the batches is first to calculate batch. How many batches are there? 100,000 is here, 1,000 units divided by batch size is how much? Batch size is how much? Batch size is 100. Are you clear about this? Are you clear about this? How many are there? It will comes to how much? It comes to 3,000 batches.
Okay.
Is it 3,000 batches? Okay, 3,000 batches. How we'll get 3000 batches, dear? We got 1000 batches now. Are you clear about this?
You got 3,000, not me.
No, you have to correct me now. It's just I will 1000.
Ah.
1000.
I corrected you.
Okay, thank you. 1000 batch. How many setups are there? Machine setups. Machine setups are how much? Time 3. 3 setups. Total setups are how much? 3000 setups. Are you clear about this? See, how many units are there? 100,000 units. Each batch is how much? 100 units. How many batches you will have? 1000 batches. Each batch will have how many setups? 3 setups. Okay, each batch will have how many setups? Total setups will have how much? 3000. Are you clear?
Yes.
Next. Now you second. Okay, see the second one. This is with respect to D. With respect to R, how many units are there? 100. What is the size of the one batch? Size of the one batch is 50. Okay, size of the one batch is 50. It comes to how much? If you take into this, it comes to how much? 1000 divided by 50. How much? 2000 batches.
It will come to 2,000, yes.
2000 times 4 setups. Times 4. How many setups are there? 8000 setups. Are you clear about this? Take your time, understand.
Oh, easy until now. I understand.
550 divided by 2. It comes to 2. It comes to 50,000 divided by 25. It comes to 2,000. Are you clear about this? Into
Yes.
how much? 6 setups. How much you'll get? 6 into, it comes to 12,000. Are you clear about this?
Yes.
Total will be how much? 23,000. Take your time, understand. Okay, 23,000. Cost per machine setup. How much is the cost per machine setup? How much is the machine setup cost?
150,000.
$150,000 divided by 23,000. It comes to how much?
150,000 divided by 23,000. It comes to 6.5. 2.
6.52. Okay, 6.52. Next.
Still enough.
Next. How many?
Like,
B is how many setups? B. How much is the R? Sorry. How much is the R? R is setups are how much? Setups times
R is
cost per
R is
set. Cost per
okay,
setup.
okay.
How many setups are there? 8,000 setups.
8.
Okay, 8,000 setups. It comes to how much? 6.52. How much is the answer?
8,000 times 6.52. 52,160.
52,160. But what they are asking us as, they are asking us the cost per setup. We have speed up so many things. Okay, we have speed up. That is the reason we have to see the question what they are asking. They are asking what is the setup cost per unit of R. Setup cost per unit of R is how much?
Because I was shocked. I said, why are we going?
No. 1 second. 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 How much is there? 52, 160. Okay, 52, 160. How many? They are asking was what cost per unit? Cost per unit. Cost per unit. Cost per unit is how much? 52, 160. How many units are there? How many units are there? 100,000
100,000.
units.
Give us
100,000.
0.52.
0.52. Now, in the examination, what we will do, the moment we'll get 6.52 in a hurry, we will be in a very hurry in an exam. What we'll do, immediately we'll put 6.52. Is it? But we have done all. Actually, they are asking cost per unit for R. Cost per unit of setup. Okay, cost set per unit of R. They are asking this. Okay. Okay. We should not come to a conclusion. Is it? Most it happens. It happens. It is not. See, in the exam mode. We will immediately say that we want to do it very fast. We don't think. We say that we say that 6.52, but actually it is not 6.52. It is 0.52. Are you clear about this?